Aloha, this is Magali with Homeschool in Paradise, and this is my Vlogmax. So I'm going to show you what did I get for my kids' Christmas gifts this year, and this is a minimalist edition. I've decided this, I think, 2 years ago after we got done with Christmas, and the kids had so many toys, it was overwhelming, and they just wanted to open gifts, and they didn't appreciate all the gifts that they were getting. As soon as they would open one, they would just toss it aside and then go get the next one. And I was like, no, that's not what I want for my Christmas. And I see in our house that we have everything that the kids need, actually. We don't need like a lot of art supply. I stock up for the year. I mean, we got a Kiwi box, the subscription. We got some boxes last year for Christmas, and they're still on my shelf. We did one last week. So we have a lot of craft and activities and things that I want to get through it before getting anything else. And I think that they just don't play with it. So we are doing really minimalist gifts, and I want to be more Christmas. I want Christmas to be more about spending time with loved ones, just enjoying, having a good dinner. We can go do an activity together, and for if they would anything is all to spend, I would rather do a subscription, like going to, we do have a membership at the Botanical Garden, but it can be a class, so something that they're going to be involved. So I prefer to do that for our Christmas. And then with the research that has been done, that you can see that the amount of toys that kids get each year, and by the time that they're 13, it's incredible. And it just, sometimes they're going to play just a few times and then it goes in the trash, and I don't want that. I think that we need to take care of our planet, and we do enough trash even in our household, even if we're careful. So this is myself. So I'm still excited to show you what I got for my kids. My son just turned 6 today, actually. And then my daughter just turned 4 a couple months ago. So what I got for them, let's start with Camila, that is just turned 4. So we did get books. I get books. The only books that I buy brand new are the books in Spanish, because it's really hard for me to find them here. But if not, the English books, we have a lot. People give us books, and then we have the library. So that one for Camila, she loves unicorn, and those are some stickers. They're from Paper Pie books, so those books are really pretty. Anything that I'm going to show you, for sure I'm going to put the links in the description box below so you can check it out. I got this puzzle, and I think it also has a book that comes with it. I haven't opened it, but I'm excited for Cinderella. And then for Camila, we got some Legos. So anything that I buy for Camila, I have to buy for Elijah, vice versa, because if not, they just fight over it, and I don't want that. So we got some Legos. We love Legos. They started playing more with it, I would say, like this at the beginning of this year, and then it's just gone crazy. Elijah's birthday party, it's Lego theme. So this is Camila, and then Elijah, same, he has a book. He loves this show. I don't know if Bear Grylls, I think. So I don't know if you've ever watched. I don't know where it is. Maybe Disney Plus, that they can select what action they're gonna do, and then sometimes it's gonna lead to different things. So this is survival. We love camping, going outside. So this is nice. And then a puzzle. We're learning about the human body. So this is a perfect fit. It has how many pieces? 100 pieces. That's pretty easy for Elijah, but that's all they had, really. I don't remember for Paper Pie if they had a lot more. And then his his Lego. It's the shuttle launcher center. So this is nice. He's gonna have so many Legos after his birthday. Okay, and then I have some that are for both of them. No fighting. So this book in Spanish about the world. So this is a pretty book. I didn't want to just say like, oh, it's for Camila or it's for Elijah. I was like, you know what? It's for both of them because anyway, they're gonna share how to be good. So it has those little flaps. So flaps are always nice. Pretty books from Paper Pie, really thick books. And then we have the human body that's gonna go perfectly with the puzzle that I got. And it's all in Spanish to learn about the different part of the human body in Spanish. Because I can speak Spanish, but I don't know all of those. And then the lemur that is sleeping. So that's going to be a nice book to go to sleep. So I always want to get easy books as well to read. Okay, and then I got these two things that with the pen they can, so this one is how to read for the clock, and then the other one is counting and buying. So if we look a little bit inside, I got two more that I gave them a couple months ago, but they didn't use that much. I need to be better at like making them do it. So that's nice. They can just carry it with them when we go somewhere. And then last thing for both of them, this is funny because just 10 minutes ago I was getting everything ready to film this video, and then I was like, oh yeah, I found this box in the closet that I bought, like I think for Amazon Prime, or no, the sale in July, I don't remember what it is, and I bought this and I forgot about it. So it's gonna be for both of them. No fighting, we can do the activities together. So the National Geographic Amazing Reaction Chemistry set. So that's going to be cool to do. I mean, for our homeschooling day, we're just going to do that together. So that was everything that I got for them for Christmas. And that's it. I feel good about myself. Yes, sometimes I watch some other video or I see some things at the store. I'm like, oh, maybe I could get them that. But no. Plus, it's so much spending. We don't need that. So yes, and I will do another video and show you what I got for those stockings, 2 things each, and that's it. And then we're gonna have a nice cozy Christmas together and have dinner, open gifts, and spend time together and bake, cook, and have fun. So what are you getting your kids for Christmas? How old are they? And do you do just few things or do you just go all in? I would love to hear from you in the comment. Make sure to also subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Mahalo for watching.